Hello, I'm Matteo from Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're going to unbox the Doogee S55. We ordered the Doogee S55 from amazon.co.uk. For £169, we thought, why not review another rugged smartphone from our friends at Doogee? What does £169 get you from Amazon? Let's unbox it to find out. As you can see, the box just says Doogee and has the S55 number on it. And it says rugged inside out. Let's not go ponder on that too long. Take the cellophane off the cardboard box. By the look and feel of the cardboard to the packaging, it's recycled cardboard or unrefined. And the box clearly indicates some of the main specifications, as well as showing you where buttons and whatnot are on the device. As you can see, this is an IP68 rated device. That means that it should resist water and dust, water under up to 30 minutes under 1.5 meters of water. It has a large 5,500 milliamp hour battery, so it's pretty much a power bank. Dual cameras on the back, which are 13 and 8 megapixel ones, 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of internal storage. That internal storage is expandable with microSD. So simple packaging, very simple to get the device out. We'll have a look at that in a few moments. But first, let's look at the other things that are in the box. So there's another layer of cardboard underneath. And in this case, there's a UK plug. This is a UK USB plug with Doogee branding front and back. And the output to this is a 5 volt 2000 milliamp hour output. So not bad. And it's a micro USB charger. So it's a micro USB cable that comes with it. And then in the box, we have a warranty card, a screen protector, which is very good. So it comes with a screen protector in the box, and a quick start guide. Let's have a look at the device itself. So let's take it out of the packaging. The device itself has a nice heft to it. It's quite chunky, and I imagine that would be because of the 5,500 milliamp hour battery. This is a cardboard protector of the screen, so you have to take it off to be able to use it. Nice rubberized corners to take impact. This is the fire red version, so you'll see there's a bit of orange detailing on there. In this case, there is also 2 cameras. As we said, that's 13 and 8 megapixel cameras on the back, a fingerprint scanner. This is all metal finishing. This is metal edging on the sides, and the actual structure of the phone underneath the rubber finishing is metal. So this is a device made to take some damage. And there's a plastic rubber finish. It's a soft touch rubber plastic made to look like pleather, which makes it less slippery to hold. Okay, let's take the spec sheet off the top of the phone, and you can see we have the front of the device with a pre-applied screen protector. So as well as the one that comes pre-applied on the screen, there's another one in the box. Now we're not going to go through the full setup, but let's have a look at the screen to see what this is like. This is very similar to the Doogee S50, which we've already reviewed. It's running Doogee OS, a very clean and light version of Android, on top of the MediaTek octa-core chipset. That's a MediaTek 6750T chipset. Capacitive buttons under the screen. This is powered by Android based on Android 8. And there's also a selfie camera and the usual sensors at the top. But as you can see, this is pretty much AOSP, or the Android open source project, so it's a fairly simple version of Android. And under here, under one of the flaps, rubber flaps in the casing, you can see deeply embedded here is the SIM tray for taking SIM card and the micro SD card for expanding memory. So that's that, and you can see the charger here. Another important thing, charger port is micro USB. It's quite deep, so if you're looking to use other chargers, make sure you use very slimline ones. It's very, very similar to the Doogee S50 we've already seen. So we'll be putting this through its paces over the next few weeks. I believe Lukash is going skiing, so that would be a good use case for the Doogee S55. And we'll let you know how we get on. Obviously, in the meantime, you'll be able to see sample videos on our YouTube channel, that's Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube, and the full video review at some point on Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. We'll also do a written review for techtravelgeeks.com, our website. And in the meantime, if you also keep an eye on our Instagram account and our Twitter account, we'll be posting pictures there taken with the Doogee S55. So that was the unboxing of the Doogee S55. We'll let you know how we get on. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe to us here on YouTube. That's Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. Thanks very much, everyone. Goodbye.